with SuperGameBus, just to let you know that we're out in the rain. We come to your place, rain or shine. Let the party go in the bus, and let them thrash the bus while your house stays clean. Come and join me. Can't walk in front of these guys. They get mad when I disturb their games here. But let me tell you, a nice rainy day inside a nice bus, what could be more perfect? Give us a call, SuperGameBus. Talk to you then. Bye-bye. Hi. It's another rainy day in Southern California. I just want to let you know that it's a rainy day. If you don't believe that I could fit 28 kids in this bus, 4 games apiece per TV, take a look down right now. Kids in this bus playing games. We'll keep you more fun. Give us a call, supergamebus.net. Have a great day. Bye-bye.